Explore a great man's biography in minutes. Donald Trump. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, a part of New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a big family. His father's name was Fred Trump, and he was a very successful businessman who built houses in New York. Donald's mother's name was Mary MacLeod Trump, and she was from Scotland. Donald had 4 siblings and was the 4th child in the family. His siblings were Mary Ann, Fred Jr. Elizabeth, and Robert. Donald was raised in a wealthy family, but he was also taught to work hard. Donald Trump attended Forest School when he was young. Later, he went to a military academy called New York Military Academy, which his father thought would teach him discipline and help him become a strong person. After that, Donald attended Fordham University in New York for 2 years before transferring to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, which is a very famous business school. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing school, Donald Trump started working for his father's business, called the Trump Organization. He was given the job of running the business and building new properties. His father had already made a lot of money by building houses, so Donald took that money and expanded the business. In the 1970s, Donald Trump began working on his first big project. He helped develop the Commodore Hotel in New York, which was later renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project made Donald Trump very famous. He was now seen as a successful businessman. In the 1980s, Donald Trump started building more and more famous buildings. He built Trump Tower, a huge skyscraper in New York City, which became one of the most famous buildings in the world. Donald also bought several casinos in Atlantic City, making a lot of money during this time. Donald Trump was not only known for his business acumen but also for his style. He was featured on TV and in magazines, and people saw him as a rich, powerful person. His famous line, "You're fired," from the TV show The Apprentice, further increased his fame. Donald Trump's life is not only about business, he has also had 3 marriages and many children. Let's talk about his family. First marriage, Ivana Trump. In 1977, Donald Trump married a woman named Ivana, who was from Czechoslovakia, now the Czech Republic. Ivana was a model and helped Donald with his business. Together, they had 3 children, Donald Trump Jr., born in 1977, Ivanka Trump, born in 1981, and Eric Trump, born in 1984. After 15 years of marriage, Donald and Ivana divorced in 1992, but they remained close for the sake of their children. Second marriage, Marla Maples. In 1993, Donald Trump married Marla Maples, an actress. They had 1 daughter together named Tiffany Trump, born in 1993. Unfortunately, their marriage didn't last long, and Donald and Marla divorced in 1999. Third marriage, Melania Trump. In 2005, Donald Trump married Melania Naus, a model from Slovenia. Melania is Donald's 3rd wife, and together they had 1 son named Barron Trump, born in 2006. Barron is the youngest of Donald Trump's children. Donald Trump has 5 children. Donald Trump Jr., who works with his father in the Trump business, Ivanka Trump, who served as an advisor to her father when he was president and is married to Jared Kushner. Eric Trump, who also works in the Trump business and is married with children, Tiffany Trump, who is studying law, and Barron Trump, who is still in school. Donald Trump is also a grandfather, his children have children, so he has many grandchildren and loves spending time with his family. Donald Trump's life is full of business successes. After finishing school and working with his father, he started building his own empire. In the 1970s, Donald Trump began constructing significant buildings. His first major project was the Commodore Hotel in New York City. Initially, it was not doing well, but Donald decided to improve it. He worked hard and helped turn the hotel into something famous. The hotel was renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel, marking Donald Trump's first big success in New York and helping him gain recognition in the business world. In 1983, Donald built the famous Trump Tower in New York City. This was one of the tallest buildings in the city and became one of his most significant successes. Trump Tower is special because it houses both offices and luxury apartments, symbolizing Donald Trump's success. His name became synonymous with the building, and he was becoming more famous during the 1980s. Additionally, Donald Trump started buying casinos and hotels in Atlantic City, a place known for its gambling. He purchased a massive casino called the Trump Taj Mahal, which was the largest casino in the world when it opened in 1990. However, despite its size, it did not make enough money initially. Donald faced many challenges but continued to work hard to sustain his business. Donald Trump didn't stop with buildings and casinos, he aimed to make his name famous everywhere. In the 1990s, he began appearing on TV, becoming a popular figure known for being rich, powerful, and successful. In 2004, he started hosting the reality TV show The Apprentice. His catchphrase, "You're fired," made him even more famous, drawing millions of viewers each week. The company Donald Trump ran is called the Trump Organization, which includes various businesses such as hotels, casinos, and golf courses. Over the years, he used his name to create many famous places, and he even put his name on buildings worldwide, known as Trump Towers, which became symbols of his success. He also opened golf courses in different countries, which became popular among golf enthusiasts. Despite his success, not everything went smoothly for Donald Trump. In the 1990s, he faced financial struggles, as some of his casinos and hotels were losing money. He had to work hard to resolve these issues and keep his company afloat. At one point, he owed significant amounts of money to banks, but Donald never gave up. He persevered and was able to overcome these challenges and restore his business's success. By the 2000s, Donald Trump became known not just as a businessman but also as someone interested in politics. He frequently discussed the possibility of running for president but didn't take that step until much later. In 2015, Donald Trump made a big announcement: he was going to run for president of the United States. Many people were surprised because he had never been in politics before, but Donald Trump was confident that his business experience would help him lead the country. During his campaign, he promised to make America great again, focusing on job creation, building a wall to stop illegal immigration, and being tough on trade with other countries. In 2016, Donald Trump shocked the world by winning the presidential election against Hillary Clinton, the former Secretary of State. Many believed Hillary Clinton would win, but Donald Trump secured the Electoral College and became the 45th President of the United States. Donald Trump served as president from January 20, 2017, until January 20, 2021. On January 20, 2021, Donald Trump left the White House and did not attend Joe Biden's inauguration. After leaving office, he returned to his business life, still owning many buildings, golf courses, and hotels. Although he is no longer president, he retains a substantial following and has hinted at the possibility of running for president again in 2024. Some people are excited about the prospect, while others seek new leadership. Donald Trump remains a prominent figure, with ongoing business ventures and numerous supporters worldwide. Eventually, Donald Trump was elected the 47th President of the United States. His life has been marked by ups and downs, from starting with nothing to becoming one of the most recognizable individuals globally. Regardless of public opinion, Donald Trump consistently makes headlines. He has been a businessman, a TV star, and the President of the United States, a person who never gave up on his dreams, regardless of the challenges he faced. His story illustrates that with hard work and confidence, it is possible to achieve great things.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.